This is the description for the measuring mass part of the metric measurement and conversions lab. So for this part of the lab, you're looking for blue signs. Measuring mass is in blue. There are two parts. Part A is using the triple beam balance. So on the back counter, you'll find triple beam balances. There are two stations. You only need to worry about doing one station. Inside of the plastic tub, there's an index card to tell you which station you're using. Be sure that you put that on your answer sheet so I'll know which one you did. Everything you need will be inside the plastic tub. So there are 3 rocks, small, large, and really large. They're labeled for you. And you've got a marble along with a plastic Dixie cup. Use the cup if you can't get the marble to stay on the balance pan. Remember, we're only interested in the mass of the marble. So if you have to put it in the cup, subtract the mass of the cup. And then there's a paper clip as well. Remember on these triple beams that there are 2 riders that have to be in notches to use the balance correctly. So you've got your middle beam, which has your 100 gram mass. So again, make sure it's in notches as you move it over. You can feel the notches. If it's not in notches, then you're not measuring properly. You can't have it in between. It won't read correctly. Same thing with the back beam. It's got 10 gram masses. Make sure they're in notches. The front beam has a rider that just slides. So I would use a pencil when you're using this one. If you use a pencil, then you can move the rider without knocking the entire arm up and down, and it'll take you forever. Okay? So those are the triple beams. Also, before you start, make sure that your triple beam balance is zeroed. So there's a little knob over here on the side that you can move either toward you if you need the beam to come down, or turn it away from you if you need the beam to go up. The station 1 triple beam is pretty set. Station 2 triple beam, this is the one that will often need some help getting zeroed. Okay, so that is part A, triple beam balance. Part B is over here on the side of the room, and this is using the electronic balance. There's some little hints on the blue sign, so if you forgot how to use the electronic balance, read the blue sign along with your lab. It tells you exactly what to do. So there's 2 things that you're measuring the mass of: a handful of paper clips and a handful of marbles. If you get too much, then you have gone past the ability of the balance to measure the mass, so you don't want a huge handful. The empty blue bowl is what you're going to use to hold the paper clips and to hold the marbles. So remember, once you put it on here, to hit 0. Let the balance work once you turn it on. Remember, it's got a computer inside, so you have to let it work. Let it take its time. Don't do anything until it says 0.00. Return everything the way that you find it, and this is how you should find it. So if you're not the first one using the electronic balance, you might have to put everything away as I've shown right here.